Vaal River flood causes widespread damage and displacement. Heavy rainfall in Gauteng has led to flooding in several areas around the Vaal River system, with Parys being one of the hardest hit towns. Residents in the surrounding areas have been evacuated, and several road closures have been reported, including Rietspruit between Vanderbijlpark, Vaaloewer, and Potchefstroom. The situation has been exacerbated by the opening of several sluice gates at the Vaal Dam, resulting in high water levels and possible flooding in areas such as Douglas in the NCape around the confluence of the Vaal and Orange Rivers. The flooding has led to significant damage to properties, with some homes being completely submerged. One resident, Christo Engelbrecht, was seen paddling out of his flooded garden in Parys. The Water Affairs Department has warned residents to be on high alert, and people have taken to social media to express their concern and offer support to those affected by the floods. The situation remains ongoing, and authorities are continuing to monitor the water levels and provide assistance to those in need.
No, one among others.